it's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, please click on my link below. It'll give you all the information, and plus for your first box you'll get $25. That is awesome. So click on that link, referral link below, and if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay, so in the box you get your items, plus your return mailer to return back anything that you do not want in the box. And then you get your style card, which is right here for me. And my stylist is Brianna. And then you'll get your price sheet. So we'll open that up and see what the prices are. We'll do the prices at the end. And this is my 51st fix. So let's get started. And on the sides here, once I do the try on, you'll see the items. So if you like to order them in the future and ask your stylist, you can just give them the description and they can send it over to you. So let's get into the bundle here. Okay, so the first item I see is a pair of shorts. These are super cute. They look like Just USA, which is the brand. So let's put this tag in here so you can look at the jeans. I asked for fray on the bottom and some distressing. As you can see, there's some distressing on the back as well. So this here is Just USA Willa Distress Fray Hem Denim Short. So these are super cute. So we'll see how they fit. Definitely adorable. Okay, the next top that I have here is this white top. It looks like it has some embroidery here. It's cute. I like the mustard color as well as the black and white. And it's kind of cute. That would be cute with like a black cardigan with these shorts as well. So that's adorable. So this is Market and Spruce, and let's get the description for you guys. And it is Market and Spruce Tasha embroidery detail texture top in off-white. So it is an off-white color. It looks like it has a V-neck, and the back it's just plain. So it's really pretty. All right, so next is this top, which is pretty. It looks like it's pink and gray, and it has a knot in the front, has a scoop neck. Here's the back. It looks like it's 3/4 length sleeve. Look at the texture. And this is the Kayla Gratole brush knot front top in light pink. So that's pretty. We'll definitely try everything on with the jeans, shorts. Okay, next top we have something is off the shoulder, really stretchy. Looks like it has a knot on the arms and sleeves. So this is pretty. The design is kind of busy, but it's super soft. So we'll see what it looks like on. It's not my favorite colors together, but we'll see. This is Danielle Rain. Malia off the shoulder knit top in blue. So we shall see. It's pretty. Here, I'll get a little bit up closer so you guys can see the design on it. There it is. And the last item we have here is this black top. That's the back. It has a little keyhole. And if you could see, let me move the tag here. You can see there's a cute little design here as well on the front, and it kind of like flounces at the bottom. And there is the back. It looks like it has a keyhole. And this is Lavapella Hilly Lace Yoke knit top in black. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys, come back at the end and give you my final thoughts, and we can go over prices. Okay guys, so I'm gonna move you down, and the first item we have here are the shorts. They're super cute. They're a little bit long in the inseam here. I prefer a little bit shorter, but they fit really nice. They're a little bit big, but that's okay. I'm gonna see if they have them in a smaller size to exchange, but they're really adorable. I like the distressing here. They're really nice, super comfortable. Okay, so next I'm gonna bring you guys back up and we'll go to the shirt. Okay, next is this top. It's super pretty. I like the embroidery on it. I definitely can wear this to work. You can tuck it in. It is lined, so that's super worth it. Let's see, I could tuck it into these shorts. Really pretty. This is the back. Here's your design. Really pretty. It fits really nice here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I like this top and I like these shorts a lot. Okay, next is this top. It's cute. Here is the design and the colors. Like the knit. I knotted it a little bit more. It's cute with the shorts. I like the 3/4 length sleeve. Let me know what you guys think. It's super soft. Okay, so next is the top. I actually don't mind it. It's cute. I like the 3/4 length sleeve. The design is a little bit different, but it's kind of out of my comfort zone. But yeah, I mean, it's cute. I definitely would wear it with some shorts. But let me know what you guys are thinking. It's really soft. Like, I love this. But I'm not really gravitating to a lot of the Stitch Fix off the shoulder tops that I bought in the past. But it isn't summer yet, so we'll see. Okay, so here is the black top. This is my favorite top in the whole box. I really like this part. I definitely would wear it to work. I can tuck it in and be super cute. Love it with these jeans. I love to wear like black, gray, whites, that type of thing. So this might be a keeper if I can get these shorts in a smaller size. But it goes all the way around and it flounces out. But yeah, I really like this top a lot. Hey guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts. So I kept the Luvapella top on, so we'll go over that one first. This was my favorite top out of the whole box. I would get a lot of wear out of it. Wear it to work, wear it wherever. This is $48, this black top. It's kind of pricey, so we'll have to see on everything else price-wise. So, and if they have these shorts in a 24. So these shorts are just USA, super cute, and they're only $44. So they're adorable. If I get them in a smaller size, I will buy them. Okay, next is this Kayla top. This is $36. It was kind of plain. It really wasn't my style. Cute though. This top was a little fancy for me. I'm looking for stuff that's more laid back. This is Market and Spruce, and this is $58. Yeah, that's a little bit overpriced, I think, for this fix. Next I have here is this top off the shoulder. I think the Daniel Rain, I think it was a little bit too busy, but it did look pretty on me. And this is $64. If I'm not going to reach for something, I'm not going to buy it and spend $64. Okay, so the total for my box was $250, and buy all 5 discounts $62.50, which would bring it to $187.50, which isn't that bad for a pair of shorts and 4 tops. So let me know what you guys think, and I thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.